welcome to another Tech Wrap Craft video. My name is Arlene from This Is Our House, and today we are going to be making another craft. Stay tuned. I wanted to try to make a video only using Design Space. So let's start. If this is your first time using Cricut Design Space, you will have to go to the home page, and then you will have to go to New Project. Once you hit your new project, your canvas is going to open. You will see a great pattern, and then on the left side of the screen, if you're using the computer, on the left side of the screen, you will see there are some icons. There is templates, projects, shapes, images, text, phrases, and so on. If you're using your phone, then you will be able to see these icons at the bottom of your screen. As you can see, I already have my design on the canvas. What I did was I went to images, and once I was there, I went to the search bar. There is a search bar. There you can write or type the word that you're looking for. If you're looking for flowers, you can type flowers, or stars, whatever you're looking for, you will type it on the search bar, and you will see all the images up here. Right here, I am looking for a paint for paint strokes. You can type that down, and all the paint strokes they have, or the system has, are going to show up. So you select the one that you want for your design, and you add it to your canvas. Once you have your image on your canvas, you can change the size. You can change some of them. You can change the colors. On these ones that I have here, I can edit those images. So I am going to edit them. I am going to select the right size, and I am going to cut them with my Cricut Maker. Here you will be able to select the material that you are going to use to cut your design. I usually use teckwrapcraft vinyl. So when I am going to cut the teckwrapcraft vinyl on my Cricut, I use holographic vinyl. So at this point, I noticed that I didn't like it, so I removed the background and I used other color to cut the paint strokes. I wanted something more vibrant, so I went with this purple from teckwrapcraft also, and this is the end result. I hope you guys liked it. Remember, you can save this video for future references. I hope you have a great day. Remember, my name is Arlene from This Is My House. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.